Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, JDK 17 or newer and VS Code with the Java and Spring extension packs installed. Open VS Code and use the Spring Initializer command to scaffold a Maven or Gradle project. This creates the POM, XML, or build, Gradle and the main application class automatically. Once done, import the project into the workspace so VS Code builds the class path. Make sure to let extensions index sources. This enables code completion and run configurations quickly. You now implement features. Open the generated main class and add controllers or services as needed. Annotations drive wiring, so use at service and at auto-wired correctly. Launch the app from the Spring Boot dashboard or the Run panel. That creates a reliable run configuration and shows console logs. Once running, test endpoints at localhost 8080. Make sure to edit application properties for profiles, server, port, and logging levels to tailor behavior across environments. You wrap up by enabling Spring Dev tools for automatic restarts and using live reload to refresh the browser. This speeds iteration significantly. Once done, build a fat jar with MVN package or /gradlu boot jar for deployment. If something breaks, open the problem's pane and terminal to read stack traces. Common issues are dependency mismatches, missing annotations, or port conflicts. If the app won't start, stop running processes on the port. Verify dependencies, then restart VS Code to clear cached state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.